Only.
Why? Me want go Philippines.
You want me to cry?
No?
Why you say that I'll be going to Philippines?
I'm not to you.
You say I'll be going home to Philippines.
No.
I feel sad. You don't like me. You don't love me.
I like you.
No.
Yes.
Me want go Philippines ka lang.
No!
Why?
Oh no.
Why?
You don't love me? I love Orad.
No, I want go Philippines.
Also me love you.
Also me pero
You love me? Of course you love me?
Hmm?
You love me too?
Yeah.
Oh, you kiss me and I will hug you. I love you, Orad.
Yala.
Love you.
But then tomorrow, only Ate Helen, only see for you, okay?
No, I want you.
Because with tomorrow,
I
I want go Philippines. Bye. I want to go Philippines.
With Helen.
May mukha ng alaga ko.
Me with you, with Helen, with on.
Oh! And only?
Because all the brown.
All the brown.
Because
Wait. You're not allowed because you're not brown.
Miss Waya brown.
This one white. Where the brown?
No.
Look for me. Me brown, you
Alright.
white.
Anna,
Look, see?
Aurad.
Not allowed for
the
Philippines.
Same. The same Aurad. No? The same color.
Yes, the same color.
Yeah.
No.
Same color already.
Yeah, same color. Same color. Let's go Philippines.
Yala, let's go Philippines.
Let's let this one take the Philippines. See this one brown. Let's take the Philippines.
All the brown take the
See,
Philippines.
this one black takes the Philippines. This one pink takes the Philippines. This one
Go! No, parang ako.
This one green same. Take the Philippines. Yellow come. Let's go.
No, school?
Yeah.
Why?
Yellow come.
Yeah.
Come.
Yala, bye.
Come go school.